Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk you why Python is famous for other than language. In this video we will know why Python is important to learn other language. So let's get started. Python so many of reasons that that's why Python is so many famous and so much important for from any other language. In this video, we will talk about why is Python. If we try to learn about Python, then we need to follow up some categories. And the first category is versat, ver- versatility. Python is versatile language suitable for various applications like web development, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and more. Reader, readability. Python's simple and clean syntax make it easy to read and understand, enhancing collaboration among developers. Large community. Python has a vast community of developers providing extensive support, libraries, and resources cross platforms. It is compatible with major operating systems, making it easy to run code across different platforms. Productivity. Python's concise syntax allows developers to accomplish more with fewer lines of code, boosting productivity. Extensive libraries. Python boasts a rich collection of libraries for various tasks, reducing the need to build functionalities from scratch. Integration capabilities. Python seamless, seamlessly integrates with other languages and technologies, enhancing its overall usefulness. Scal- Scalability. Python is well suited for both small scale project and large scale application, offering is scalability. Scalability. Easy learning curve. Python beginner friendly and natural makes it accessible to new developers and learners. Career opportunity. Its growing popularity has led to high demand for Python developers getting among job opportunities in this tech industry. It also provides the best communities in the whole programming language in ever we seen. And basically Python is very beginner friendly language. It very easy to learn and it's very easy to use. That's why a Python will be the best programming language if you wanted to learn about or if you wanted to teach a programming language, then you can pick easily Python. Python help you to mix your career or build your career a good position. It also help you to become AI and machine learning engineer. If you are interested in this field, then you can choose Python programming language for your beginner stage. I hope in this video you all are knows about the Python and why Python is important for your career and for your peak language learning. Now that you know what is Python is, it's time to evolve to advanced of this versatile language for computer programming and other programs. Basically, Guido van Rossum created this program and named it by the, the circus name, that was the Monty Python. I hope you all guys enjoy this video. We will see you next time, inshallah.